Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated in Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. So, this is your subject teacher of science, and today I am here with a notebook assignment from your textbook from chapter number 1 Types of Plants. So, students, today we are going to discuss how to write notebook assignment in your notebook. So before starting this, let's have a quick overview on the chapter. So in this chapter, what we have learned: plants. About plants, when you think of plants, you probably think of flowers, fruits, trees, etc. And students, you know very well, plants are living things. Some of them are big and some are small. They need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. So students, in this chapter, the first topic was types of plants. So students, there are various types of plants. We classify the plants in following ways, or we can say that plants are grouped into following types. So these are the types of plant. You know very well, there are 5 types of plants. The first one, trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. So students, first we discuss about trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. The next one, shrubs. Thin, brown and woody plants are called shrubs, or you can say that small with woody stem. Now the next one, small plants with soft stem are herbs. Plants with weak stem that cannot stand straight are called climbers. Weak plants that mostly grow along the ground are creepers. And some plants are grown in water are water plants. They are generally known as herbs because they have soft stem. So this was a points that you have to remember. The next one, parts of plants. So students, there are many parts of a plant. Here function of parts of plant is given. The first one, root. Root gives support to plant. The second, stem is main body of plant and carries water and food to other part of a plant. The next one, stem, main body of plant. Leaf, make food for a plant. Flower, produce fruit or seeds and colorful part of a plant. Fruit, fleshy part of a plant. So students, here look at the picture of plant that is given here. Bird, flower, fruit, leaf, stem and root. So these are the parts of a plant. Students, let's come to the notebook assignment that we have to do in notebook. So first of all, you have to open your notebook, then you have to write the date, and then you have to mention chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter, that is types of plants. Then you have to mention the topic, exercises. Then the first exercise from this chapter is question number A, filling the blanks with correct words. So you have to write this now. Then first, trees have a strong main woody stem called the trunk. So I explained you in our earlier video. And your live classes also. So in first you have to fill trunk. Trees have a strong main woody stem called the trunk. Then the second one, climbers have blank stems that need support of other plants. So here two options are given, weak and strong. So you know very well climbers have weak stem. So you have to fill here weak, W-E-A-K, weak. Then next one, the blank carries water to all parts of the plant. So students, option are here stem and root. So you have to write here stem. Stem carries water to all parts of the plant. The next one, a blank leaf or flower becomes a fruit. So students, flower becomes a fruit. So here you have to write flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The fifth one, blank plants make their own food. So as you know that green plants make their own food, so you have to write here green. Now let's come to the match the columns. So students, in book you have matched column A with column B, but when you write this in your notebook, then you have to make column A and column B, then you have to write the answer in front of the word. Like here trees. So what are trees? Trees are strong and big. So here you have to write the correct answer in front of the tree. Like here. Next, shrubs. So what are shrubs? You have to write the answer in front of shrubs, small with woody stem. In herb, small with soft stem. The fourth one, climbers, weak stems. Creepers grow along the ground. So students, you have to write the answer in front of the word. Don't match. Now let's come to the question number C from this chapter, that is give two examples for each of the following. So students, here you have to write two example for each of the following. So first of all you have to mention question number C, give two examples for each of the following. Then you have to write the serial number 1. Then trees. So you know two examples of tree? Yes, mango and apple. So in first blank you have to write MANGO, mango, and in second APPLE, apple. Now in second, shrubs. So what are the two example of shrubs? Rose and hibiscus. So first of all you have to write the spelling of rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Then hibiscus, Hibiscus. So students, what's the spelling of hibiscus is? Hibiscus. Now similarly in third, herbs. So the example of two herbs are mint and coriander. So you have to write here MINT, mint, and then CORIANDER, coriander. In next one, climbers. So the two example of climbers are money plant and grapevine. So the spelling of money plant, MONEY, money, PLANT, plant, and spelling of grapevine, GRAPEVINE, grapevine. Now the next one, creepers. Example of creepers are watermelon and strawberry. Spelling of watermelon: water, water, melon, melon. And strawberry: straw, straw, berry, berry. So this was the spelling of strawberry. So you have to write these exercises in your notebook like this, and then you have to also learn these exercises from this chapter, and you have to read chapter number 1. This was homework for you. I hope you understood how to write the notebook assignment in your copy. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.